Cársa sa semáda líochrain is tá máte san Global Village in Gaeltacht UCD ag Cultúr le Chéile. Agus tá méid se bheith gólín ar a seanals leis an drám is deise.
Tonight we were able to sing a song as Gaelga all together, despite people like me not having any Gaelga. I mean, personally, I fell in love with the language even more despite me not speaking it.
I thought this evening was great. I love learning new language and culture through song. This was so accessible to everyone of all levels.
It's me, Máire, and piece of Shannon doing. Doing she doing on top of the winner leis on Shannon songs on Wega freshen, our Cultúr, August having shake morlum.
Tá antáh go bainteas na ceardaní seo os rud ag gur féidir le daoine hiad agus bheith fólam faoin na tradiisiún Gaeilge go dá hanga agus bhíon anfra go dúhain. Bhíon ceardaní in aisce thola bhharrta teo bígí le.